Hit the road! Ed!
My turn to jump on his head. I can't sleep, Eddie. I keep thinking, how can my feet smell if they don't have a nose? Away with you, unwanted pesters!
Hey, Grumpula! Wake up on the wrong side of those steel socks of yours! Is that a lump on a log?
My buttocks hurt.
Einstein's got nothing on me.
Touch me again and I will squash you!
Hey, Grumpula! Wake up on the wrong side of those steel socks of yours!
I'll pay for it!
I'm hurt now. Way to go, Mr. Sensitive. That's a wuss. Hey, Rumple Forehead. I'll give you a 3 to get over yourself. 1. Smile, you miserable. 2. Snap out of it, you. What are you gonna do now?
You torment me! Look at me run! Humphrey!
Fall, big tree, flat.